All right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are taking the HPI Maverick out again. This time I locked the diffs front and back. Still got the 35 tooth spur pinion with the SpeedTek RC gears and speed spool. I changed the radio receiver to the 7. It's a little bit bigger. It's got the 2 antennas on it. I forget the number for it for the radio link. I changed that. Still have the radio link controller, and I also did put a one of those not a cat pack, but I don't know. You plug it into your receiver, and it's supposed for your ESC, or not for your servo, so it doesn't draw voltage out of it. It's I just went blank, guys. So I put one of those in too from SpeedTek RC. It's I'll figure the name out, or I'll write it in here when when I'm doing the video, when I'm editing it. So right now we got 12 satellites. Let's go track, start, stop, read, 0. So let's turn the car on. Let's turn this on. Okay, this is for HPI. I did have to put the GRP tires on. I was bench testing it, and a tire blew out. I'm surprised these tires lasted as long as they did, because they are actually pretty good tires, guys. They're stock tires, and was very impressed. Okay, very impressed with these tires. They're still got tread on them. They're holding up. They did start distorting a little bit on the edges here, but other than that, they held up pretty good for, you know. And it just looked like it came unglued. It didn't tear them, but it threw the foam out. So to redo them is just going to be, I don't even know how much they cost. But I got these on. These are brand new. So we're gonna have to chew them up a little bit. So let's do a track and a start. So it's tracking, make sure. Okay, so let's spin the tires a little bit here. It's gonna be a little bit different since everything's locked up. So let's give her a spin. Should be somewhat warm enough, huh? Let's turn our booster on. All right. I think we're straight. I think that glare down there is the front windshield, so let's see what you got, guys. Man, it didn't feel like it went very fast, but it didn't cut out. Stop. Read. 76. Yeah, it didn't feel like it cut out. It just didn't feel like it was going that fast. So maybe it did cut out down there and I just didn't feel it. I think the servo might be, I don't know. Seems to pull hard one run and next run it doesn't. It's set at 72, that's why. Let's turn it down. Got a little crazy on the beginning. So let's turn it down, enter. Alright, let's try again. That was definitely full throttle on that one. It didn't cut out, it just stayed at that same pace. So that's a plus. So maybe it was the radio or the receiver. Did I start it? I hope I started it. No, of course I didn't start it. I'm a dumbass. Alright, track, start. That was a pretty good run too. Alright, let's try it one more time. Hopefully I got enough juice in the battery. Hopefully the battery motor's not getting hot. Although it hasn't been, so I've done like 3 or 4 runs. It hasn't even hit 100, so the wind's kicking up, of course. Do the 3-point turn down here until I see the, there we go. All right, come on, baby. Let's see what you got. Oh, stay on your wheels. Come on. Ooh. Telling you, steering. I'm gonna replace the servo. I'll put a new servo in it and see what happens. Now it's leaning hard to the left. I don't know if that's because of the fin maybe in the back. Let's see. Stop. Read. 77. We got a mile/hour faster. I don't know if that's because it spun out or what, but I'm gonna take it. It should be doing way faster than that though, with the calculations and all that. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably close to about 100. ESC's good. Tires look like they're worn off with the oldness. Oh, I lost the body clip. Of course, I didn't bring my it ain't one thing with this car, it's another, guys. Let's see, I didn't remember I had these in here though. I think these were the original ones. All right. 77 miles an hour. Start, stop, read, track, start. Okay. It's reading. Let's go one more. Turn the dual rate back down. All right, let's go. Come on, baby. Yeah, okay. That was a pretty good pass right there. Might have got a little bit more there. Come on. Show me a decent number. Show me a decent number. Stop. Read. 77 again, guys. So it's consistent 77 now. I got I don't know. It's not cutting out, that's where it's peaking at. It's not cutting out like the rest of the ESCs we're doing. So I don't know. Maybe the ESC just doesn't have the oomph to do a 4S like that. So, all right, there you go. The battery's wearing down, so there you go. Yeah. One thing I can try is trying to change the servo and see if the servo's drawing juice out for some reason. But I do have that part in there now, so, but yeah, I don't know, guys. I'll have to sit and think about this one for a minute. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share the videos, hit that bell, and stay tuned for some hopefully more speed runs, a little more bashing, some more building. I got a little bit of everything in the garage right now. So little projects I'm working on, a couple new projects coming up. Not going to tell you till it comes into the garage, but it will be something going halfway decent or halfway fast. So hoping to get that one up to 100 miles an hour or close to it, if not over. This I was just trying to hit 80 with the 4S. Can't quite make it. We're gonna see though. We're not gonna give up. We're gonna change things around. This might take me a little longer, but like I said, I think I'll change the servo and just try that, and then after the servo, then we'll change to a different setup. So thanks again, guys. Y'all have a good day.